Okay, so here's another use case. Maybe with your bolt-ons or your modifications, like a slip-on and intake, your bike is now running, you feel a little bit lean outside closed loop, but you're still at cruise, maybe 60% throttle and 4,000 RPM. We can pop open our fuel table here, come out to that 60% throttle and 4,000 RPM, find that spot, and anywhere outside of this, maybe we're outside closed loop, we can use our shift key to select more than one cell. Maybe it's this region right in here that we feel we can make better by adding a little bit of fuel. Maybe it's 6 points. 6 points of fuel to decrease our air-fuel ratio, increase that fuel delivery just a little bit in this cruise area. We don't need to go wild all the way down to 250 RPM and all the way out to 100% throttle, but just right here, and then click Send Map. Now we'll have 6% extra fuel delivery to the engine to bring it down from maybe it was running 14.0, a little bit on that leaner side. Now we're down at 13.3 or 13.2, just to better benefit the longevity of the engine instead of running a little bit lean out at cruise.